Now today, let's start with chapter number 2, Grids on the Earth. In this chapter, we will study about latitudes, longitudes, and what are the important latitudes and longitudes. I will tell you further in the chapter. The Earth is roughly spherical in shape. It rotates on its axis and it's tilted at the angle of 23.5. The globe is also designed similarly. Globe भी ऐसे designed है आपका, ठीक है. The northern most point है axis का, उसको हम नॉर्थ पोल कहते हैं, और the southern most point है उसको साउथ पोल कहते हैं. तो northern most point क्या हो गया आपका एक्सिस का? नॉर्थ पोल. और the southern most point है वो साउथ पोल. वो किससे मार्क है? 90s से. और जो नॉर्थ है वो 90n से. In order to state the reliefs of the earth and the location of land masses, geographer and cartographer developed important tools. जैसे आपके ग्लोब हो गया, मैप हो गए, कुछ important tools develop करें. A globe is a small model of the earth. What is globe? Globe is the small model of earth. It shows shape and location of the continent, ocean, countries and some other important city. और मैप क्या? इट्स अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ, जो कहाँ एक फ्लैट सरफेस पे. नाउ लैटिट्यूड्स. व्हाट आर लैटिट्यूड्स? देखो, लेटा हुआ मतलब जो लाइन कैसी है? लेटी हुई है. दे आर पैरेलल. Lines are drawn on the globe and map on so that it would become very easy to look. These lines are not seen on the surface of the earth. उनको हम imaginary line कहते हैं. और imaginary circle which is drawn horizontally at the center of the globe, वो किससे मार्क्ड है आपके? It is marked at 0 degree and it is called equator. ये क्या करता है? इंडिया को दो इक्वल हाफ में डिवाइड करता है, नॉर्थ पोल एंड नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. The distance between the latitudes is always equal. जो distance होगा लैटिट्यूड के बीच में का, वो हमेशा इक्वल होगा. Total number of latitudes on the globe कितने हैं? 180. The northern hemisphere extends from equator on 0 to 90 degree north, और जो southern hemisphere वो extend करता है 0 to 90 degree south. और जो सर्कल्स हैं वो क्या करते हैं? डिक्रीज करते हैं साइज में, जैसे ही हम इक्वेटर से किधर की तरफ जाएंगे? पोल्स की तरफ. Some latitudes have special names. कुछ latitudes हैं जिनके special names हैं. जैसे latitude at 20 degree half is called Tropic of Cancer. और जो corresponding line at 23 degree and a half south वो आपका Tropic of Capricorn. And the latitude 60 and a half south is known as Arctic Circle. और जो corresponding latitude है वो 66 and a half south, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Antarctic Circle. Now let us show you diagrammatically. This is our earth. We will divide it into half. What it is? It is 0 degree equator. ये 0 degree है. This is 23 and a half. North में है तो north. This is 23 and a half. South. This is 66 and a half south. This is 66 and a half. Zero degree is your equator. ये क्या है आपका? इक्वेटर है. 23 and a half north, that is your Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. 23 and a half south, it is Tropic of Capricorn. This is your Antarctic Circle. This is your Arctic Circle. This is 90 degree north, North Pole. ये क्या है? 90 degree south. ठीक है. ये क्या है? ये हमारे कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स है जो हमारे लाई करते हैं इस पे, आपके लैटिट्यूड्स पे. नाउ लॉन्गिट्यूड्स. नेक्स्ट इज आवर लॉन्गिट्यूड. लॉन्गिट्यूड्स क्या? इट्स इमेजिनरी लाइंस drawn vertically from the North Pole to South Pole, इनको हम meridians कहते हैं. The line which passes at Greenwich is the most important longitude, which is marked with 0 degree, और उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Prime meridian. ठीक है, it is known as prime meridian. This is your 0 degree prime meridian. ठीक है, ये क्या है आपकी 0 degree prime. Now there are 360 longitudes. कितने longitudes हैं? 360 longitudes हैं. 180 आपके कहाँ पे? ईस्ट में, और 180 कहाँ है? वेस्ट. However, the distance between longitudes is the maximum at the equator and minimum at the pole. सबसे ज़्यादा maximum कहाँ पे? इक्वेटर पे, और minimum कहाँ पे? पोल्स पे. And the longitudes are marked by 180 east and 180 west of prime meridian. Unlike the latitudes, longitudes are never parallel to each other, and meridians of longitude are all of the same. ये क्या है? Same length. Next is locating places. Longitudes and latitudes run across a map from east to west, north to south. This is the way they cross each other at several points, जिनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Grids कहते हैं. And we can locate places on the maps with the help of grid. That is why it is possible to find out precise position of a place on map. किसके हेल्प से? ग्रिड के. The same thing आप ग्लोब के हेल्प से भी कर सकते हैं. Now understanding time zone. There are certain regions on the earth which follow definite time throughout the year. ठीक है, the division is mainly based on borders of the country. There are 24 time zones in the country. कितने time zones हैं? 24 time zones. Now, what would happen if every Indian state follow in a same time? अगर एक अपना अपना time zone सब follow करेंगे तो क्या हो? Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.